get every... Whoa, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. Hello everyone, hope you're all well. Now, a bit of a different one today. Out on the canal, but I'm using something that I've never actually used before. I'm using some flies. Now, Dave, aka McFluffChucker on Instagram, or Predator Flies Scotland on eBay, has hooked me up with some beautiful flies and going to take him out today and see what we can't pick up. It's changed over to a slightly bulkier pattern, more like a silverfish this one. Looks bloody good. Looks nice in the water, sinks a little bit slower than the one that I was using previously. Has a little bit more presence in the water as well. It's a little bit bulkier, so on the pause it really does puff up, and then on the jerk it becomes a little bit more streamlined. If you've ever used flies, you'll understand what I mean. As I say, this is probably my first real session on a fly. Don't even think I've cast one before. Not fishing for predators anyway. Looks bloody good in the water, that. I like that. If that doesn't catch something, I'll be absolutely amazed. Get back over here for a little cast. Let's see if I can't get one. Just over where that duck got attacked before. That's perfect. Right over there. Well, say where the duck got attacked. Whatever it was, whether it was a pike or whatever it was, hit right next to it. If any of you've done pike fishing for a while, you've probably seen pike do that in the past. Like if you fish surface lures especially. There's been times where I've fished surface lures and I've heard a splash about, could be up to like 6-8 foot behind the lure, and you're thinking, what the hell? And it's a pike. Yes, there's a fish. Yes, get in. I was just about to say it's a pike that's hit directly behind the lure. Is that a pike? Yeah? Oh, it's only a little jack, but again. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's get my net off. Whoa, 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 whoa. Cool. Right. See if I can't get this guy in the net. Whoa. Come on then. Come on then. Yes, there we go. There we go. Excellent. Excellent stuff. Again, only a little guy. Got the fly hanging out of its mouth. Beautiful little fish. Hooks really nicely, just in the top lip. Barely hooks really, just pops out nicely. Yeah. Cracking little fish. Pleased with that one. So the first pike on the fly. Let's get you back, mate. Beautiful. Straight back in, no problem. Oh, missed that one. Totally missed that. Alright, pal. Totally missed that fish then. What a shocker. Right, at least I know there's one over there though. Ah, bloody hell. What a bugger. Try again. See if it fancies another pop at it. Yeah. Oh. Oh, bloody hell. Come on. Don't think it felt the hook. Don't think it felt the hook, right? Oh, that's a terrible cast. Wind took that. Right, third time lucky. Surely, third time lucky. Oh, bloody hell. Hit it well on the second attempt. Might have spooked it then. May well have done. It was a good hit anyway. Probably something behind that tree, aren't there? Gotta be, or around the tree. Is that a fish? No way. No way. The fish has just took that on the drop. Literally, as soon as I cast that in, it took it on the drop. That's unreal. I didn't even know I had a fish on. I don't feel like a bad fish, that. Jesus. That does not feel... That's not a bad fish. Bloody hell. Certainly going. No, it's taking me into the trees. It's taking me into the trees. Get down. Get down. Get the rod tip down. No way. That is unbelievable. I cannot believe that's just took that on the drop. As soon as I cast it in. Bang. Come on, get out from there. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a really nice fish. Unreal. Absolutely unreal. It's still taking line. Still going. Come on, mate, come back. Come back. Can't really bully it too much with this rod. Whoa. Bloody hell, this is a good fight. It's not a bad fish at all, that. Come on, pal. Let's be having you. Come on, sausage. Can't believe that's just took that on the drop. That's fantastic. Really cool. Not something you get every... Whoa, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. Wow, no way. Oh, amazing. Absolutely amazing. Whoa. Bloody hell. That is a good fish, that. Took it on the drop as well. Whoa. I know I keep saying it took it on the drop, but I can't believe it. Well, going back towards the bush, going back towards the tree as you do. Get that rod tip down, try and work it back over here. Get it away from that tree. Work it back over, there we go. I want to try and get me net out so I can try and net this fish, because I do not want it to come off. Really don't. The trace is wrapped up a little bit on the fish. Whoa! Yeah, doesn't like the net. Does not like the net. Okay. Whoa, it's gone again. Jesus. Some power in this fish. Unbelievable power. Right, come on then. Come on then. Let's get you in the net. Let's get you in the net. Whoa. Oh. I'll tell you what, you know it's good fish when it makes your arm ache. Yeah, it's wrapped up around the trace. I think that's why it's been quite difficult to get in. It's a bloody good fish though. Come on then. Come on then. Come on then. Let's get you. Yes! Get in! Oh, mega, 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 mega fish. Oh, that's got to be a double, that. Got to be a double. Got to be. Oh, what an absolute belter of a fish. And there we go. Absolutely engulfed that fly. But look at the size of that. What an absolute cracker of a fish that is. And there she is. Just over £10. Cracking fish. Absolutely cracking. Caught on that fly. Unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. Unfortunately, that's all I've got time for on this session. To be fair, for the first session using flies, I've enjoyed it. Not an half bad session, in all honesty. If you want to try out the fly as well, give Dave a shout on his eBay store. There's all sorts on there. Pike flies, perch flies, coarse flies, everything you can think of. And if there is something that you can think of that's not on there, I'm sure he'll be able to sort you out. With all that being said, thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, leave a like, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Cheers.